Good evening, dear traders. Welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the weekly Linkup. As usual, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex and try to forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Technical analyst Peter Yakimovic will give us his expert advice. This trading week has been equally packed with macroeconomic data as the previous one. Let's start our link up with the review of the most popular currency pair. For the whole week, the single European currency was losing ground against its main counterpart, the US dollar. However, today we are watching the bullish trend. Hi Peter, what is your outlook for the euro-dollar pair?
Hello, dear traders. I'm expecting higher price on the euro versus the US dollar. Since according to a daily time frame, I found a bullish flag and a broken bullish flag in the background. Anyway, the price basically started to go high after that breakout, and then price rejected. But right now, the price is trading at the 21 simple moving average, which is actually a very good short-term moving average. And I see that price refusing to go lower, and that buyers stepped in and they want to close the day above 21 simple moving average. If we check the position of the 50 simple moving average, it's also trading. The price is also trading higher, and I see that the euro dollar is in a short-term bullish trend. So that is why my advice is to watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair. The take profit levels are set the price of 1.2085. This is the first take profit level, and the second take profit level is set the price of 1.150. Again, broken bullish flag, rejection from 20-month simple moving average, and basically the short-term trend is upward. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips.
This week, the pound sterling has grabbed traders' attention. Evidently, the British pound gained momentum following the policy meeting of the Bank of England. What further dynamic do you foresee for the pound-dollar pair?
I'm expecting upward price of the British pound versus US dollar. The interesting point here is after the actually the Bank of England announced that they will keep the interest rates at the same level like the previous month. What happens is that buyers actually stepped in. This was a strong bullish pressure on the British pound versus US dollar, and basically the price confirmed that there is a clean breakout of the previous resistance according to the previous price section according to the daily time frame, and there is also a few bullish outside bars which are confirmation basically of the strength on the British pound versus US dollar. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips on this currency pair, and the take profit levels are set the price of 1.3450 and 1.3520, and the last one 1.3600, which is the very strong resistance, also based on Fibonacci war. So British pound, watch for buying opportunities on the dips.
We cannot avoid political developments in our link-up. North Korea fired a missile over Japan on early Friday for the second time in this month. However, the dollar-yen pair revealed an unexpected response from traders. Investors did not rush to buy safe haven assets. How would you comment on this market sentiment?
I'm expecting lower price on the USD versus Japanese yen. The reason is because the short-term trend is bearish, in my opinion, on this currency pair. There is a strong resistance cluster at the price of 111, and the price is basically rejecting that the buyers don't have power to go and penetrate that resistance. So my advice is to actually watch for selling opportunities. The 50 simple moving average is also on the test, and combined with these strong resistance clusters, I think there is a good this is a good actually area for potentially establishing selling positions on this currency pair. And the take profit level is at the price of 107.40, and this is basically the swing low from where this buying pressure actually started on the USD versus Japanese yen. So again, watch for selling opportunities on the US Japanese yen.
Experts found out the worst performer on Forex this week. It is the Australian dollar, which gave in to the pressure of its American rival. Peter, from your viewpoint, what direction will the Australian versus the US dollar pair follow?
I'm expecting upward price on the Australian dollar versus US dollar. The reason is Similar like on the euro versus dollar, I found a broken bullish flag formation and then a few retests of 20-month simple moving average according to the daily time frame. And this is actually a very good sign that buyers are in control on the short-term perspective. The price is also trading above the 50 simple moving average, which is also another good sign that even the short and mid-term trend, they are absolutely bearish. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips with the first take profit level at the price of 0.8050 and the second target at 0.820. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable recommendations, and see you next Friday. You have watched the weekly link up on InstaForex's TV channel. This edition has been presented by me, Anna Kasatkina, and technical analyst Peter Yakimovic. Trade at profit with InstaForex, and see you next week.